perfect complement to your Festool workflow, the parallel guide system and DF500 offset base system make for a more accurate track saw setups and simplifies mortise cuts with your domino joiner. Through our one-time tool program, we're re-releasing these products by popular demand for a special 4-week ordering period. A solution for fast, accurate, and repeatable parallel cuts, the PGS is engineered to work with Festool's guide rail and track saw systems. The PGS incorporates our popular zero-side play flip stops and 3-slot T-track and can make cuts up to 52 inches or beyond center of a 4x8 sheet of plywood. And we built the DF500 offset base system to be the ultimate accessory for the Festool domino joiner. This robust tool provides a solution for centering mortises and includes 5 precision machine spacers that can be easily swapped out to cut perfectly centered mortises on nominal 3/4 inch plywood. Our Woodpeckers PGS and DF5
Capro, the world's most innovative manufacturer of hand tools, presenting the 309 Legend Square. This tough square is designed for the professional with Capro's unique and innovative features. The 309 has a high-impact polymer handle with a unique support ledge which keeps the square in place for one-handed marking. The stainless steel blade is permanently etched with inch and centimeter gradations. There's angle markings for beveling and framing at 22.5 degrees, 45 degrees, 67.5 degrees, and 90-degree angles. And there's a marking point in the handle in relation to the angle markings. The 309 is certified 90 degrees for reliable accuracy. The 309 Legend Square is available in 4 lengths: 8-inch 20cm model, a 10-inch 25cm model, 12-inch 30cm model, and a 16-inch 40cm model. Capro has applied its innovation to one of the most traditional of hand tools, the patented 309 Legend Square, with its unique support ledge for single-handed marking, permanently etched stainless steel blade, and many more features, makes it one of the best squares available.
Is the video taping? So go ahead and slide on. Okay. So now stop. Now make sure it's all in and all the way around.
Look good. Good there, I don't have to try.
You gotta squeeze them. There you go.
I gotta find out what those wide ones are.
Okay, go ahead and take it off.
At C.H. Hansen, we are proud to introduce another innovation in layout tools. The Pivot Square is a precision layout tool that makes it easier to accurately measure and mark any angle. Its unique pivot hinge allows you to make more precise measurements. The angle lock allows you to simply mark boards during repetitive layout. The Pivot Square has machined increments to ensure the precision of your measurements. High-quality spirit levels allow you to level in 3 planes. Let's show you how the Pivot Square works. You can use it like a common square to mark 90-degree angles. The pivot hinge allows you to select any angle while keeping the base guide solidly square to the edge for more precise measurements. The angle lock allows you to set the pivot square to any angle and lock it in. This ensures accurate marking and guarantees that you can repeat the angle for repetitive layout. What makes the pivot square indispensable for constructing roofs and stairways to measure pitch or rise by simply placing the tool on a roof line and using the level as a guide to measure the angle and lock it in. The pivot square sets a new standard in precision for layout tools.
This is the Bosch ROS 20 VS 5-inch palm random orbit sander. Finish carpenters, cabinet makers, woodworkers, and others find that this sander gives them the precise results they desire. An optimal combination of pad orbit and rotation delivers fast removal and a well-blended, ultra-smooth finish. Stay comfortable during extended use with the soft grip top and body design, which lets you have multiple grip options. With low vibration and a smooth run, fatigue and discomfort are a thing of the past. Variable speeds ranging from between 7,500 and 12,000 orbits per minute lets you dial up or down depending on the sanding task at hand. Featuring Bosch's hook-tight hook and loop disc attachment, this has over 35,000 long life hooks to ensure a firm grip of the disc during use. This sander holds standard 8-hole 5-inch hook and loop discs. The soft microcellular backing pad is pliable, so you get a smooth, fine finish on both flat and contoured surfaces. An integral pad dampening brake system also helps prevent swirl marks. The included microfilter dust canister with integrated paper filter provides optimal fine dust filtration. Able to trap particles down to a 0.5 micron in diameter, this keeps your workplace clean and helps protect you from harmful dust.
Specifically designed to save time and money, Speedjaw branded tools by JS Products utilize patented features that allow fast adjustability. These precision-made clamping tools and low-profile bench vices are world-renowned for their strength and durability. Unique to this vise is the Speedjaw button, a patented technology to allow rapid adjustability of the jaws to open or close. Simply depress the button to rapidly clamp onto your work object. Also unique to the Speedjaw vise is a ductile ratcheting handle to allow the unit to function fully while mounted in the center of any workspace. The ratcheting action allows fine grip adjustment on the strong serrated steel jaws, and with a flip of the selector switch, the jaws can change from tighten to loosen. The unit includes a 360-degree posi clock disc to provide accurate positioning. Not only do these discs allow the unit to swivel, but precision machine numerals allow precise rotation and positioning for the operator. Moving the Speedjaw vise is a snap. Unfasten the latch from around the base to separate and relocate your vise virtually anywhere. Offered in 4 sizes, these discs match your specific vise. One comes with every unit.
You would never use a cordless tool to do a job this intense. Till FlexVolt, a new line of DeWalt cordless tools that have the power of a corded tool. With innovations like the world's first battery pack that automatically changes voltage when you change tools. And our new powerful 60-volt brushless motors that can rip through all commonly used materials. Along with the features you expect from DeWalt, like a Perform and Protect e-clutch system and a bright LED work light. And since it's a cordless tool, you're never chained to a cord or a power outlet, so you have the freedom to move from job to job to job, with enough runtime to get the work done. And a battery that adds runtime to existing DeWalt 20-volt max tools. All part of the most powerful cordless system we've ever created. FlexVolt. Power of corded. Freedom of cordless. Built, guaranteed tough. By DeWalt.
This is the Bosch 1617 EVS variable speed router. With a 2¼ horsepower 12-amp motor, this router can provide 8,000 to 25,000 RPM and tackle those tough routing applications and materials. Turn the speed up or down with the variable speed dial depending on the job at hand. This Bosch router is available with plunge and fixed bases. The fixed base has threaded holes to mount to a router table. The wide base opening and 2-inch subwoofer opening accepts larger bits, while the front spindle lock lets you easily and quickly change bits. Coarse and microfine adjustment knobs allow for versatile, precise depth adjustment. Soft start reduces startup torque, and constant response circuitry helps to maintain a constant speed under load while providing overload protection. Precision centering design makes it easy to keep the bit on the intended outline when using jigs, templates, dovetail fixtures, and other guidance devices. Right or left switch location allows for user preference and consistency, so the motor doesn't rotate during depth adjustment. Contoured soft grip handles enhance comfort and control. So there you have it, the Bosch 1617 EVS variable speed router. For more information on this tool, see this page and be sure to check out the complete line of Bosch power tools.